PFA Filter Cartridge Installation and Usage Guide. 1. PFA Filter Cartridge Unboxing. First, open the packaging box and take out the PFA filter cartridge wrapped in multiple layers of transparent bags. Tear open the transparent bags respectively and take out the filter cartridge. Model 1. 68 mm diameter. 10-inch. Dry-packed PFA filter cartridge. Model 2. 68 mm diameter. 10-inch. Pre-wetted PFA filter cartridge. The innermost layer contains pure water. This is the normal state of pre-wetted packaging. Model 3. 83 mm diameter. 10-inch. Dry-packed PFA filter cartridge. 2. PFA filter cartridge installation method. First, loosen the locking ring on the PFA housing and remove the head part. Type 1. Installation of filter cartridge without lock key. Hold the end of the filter cartridge by hand, insert the 222 adapter into the housing head, and push it in firmly. Tighten the bowl onto the housing head. Type 2. Installation of filter cartridge with lock key. Snap the lock key onto the 222 adapter of the filter cartridge. Insert the filter cartridge into the housing bowl and turn the lock key clockwise a quarter turn to the locked position. Screw the housing bowl to the head of the PFA housing and tighten the locking ring by hand. Tighten again with a wrench. When replacing the filter cartridge, first loosen the locking ring with a wrench, then completely unscrew it by hand. Separate the housing bowl from the head, turn the lock key counterclockwise a quarter turn, and then take out the filter cartridge. 3. PFA filter cartridge cleanliness control. 1. Cleanliness control, ultra pure water flushing. 2. Cleanliness control, online particle shedding test. 3. Cleanliness control, metal ion extraction test. 4. PFA series products display. Category 1. PFA filter cartridges. Category 2. PFA capsule filters. Category 3. PFA housings. Five. PFA series products applications. Filtration of electronic reagents. Filtration of equipment cleaning solutions. Filtration and etching and stripping processes, etc. Filtration of high temperature and corrosive reagents. Filtration of process gases.